Ayun. So you're a balikbayan?
I am a balikbayan.
And you brought your whole family with you?
I did bring my whole family. My husband, my 3 kids.
Are you going to swim or you just finished?
We just finished. We went from the, what is that called? Villa Escudaria.
Now you're drunk by Italy, pasalubong store. What are you going to try?
I am going to try one of almost everything. The buko pie looks really good. I heard it's a specialty of the town, so I'm going to give that a try. And I heard Flex is actually very good, so we're going to try that. The lecture family here is really good around here, so I've got to bring that to you for my mom.
Oh, we're not Filipino.
I am Filipina,
But do you think it's the parang culture or the tradition of the music? Everything is something weird.
I like that.
Street food.
The mango, dried mangoes is a favorite.
Chocho pag pichi-pichi.
What is it made out of? Probably some. I'm going to try some first, but I'll probably bring back a few.
Last question. Would you buy this pasalubong, delicacies, any products that the town specializes in? Do you think you'll feel the vacation, the people will be more special, more meaningful?
Yes, and I want to bring back some to the people